There are many public charging stations along your way. The route planner in your navigation system will suggest suitable charging stops. Based on your driving behavior, the charging points are adjusted during the journey. In this way, you will always find a charging station within your range, which is particularly useful on longer journeys. The overview of all planned charging stops shows when you will arrive and how long charging will take. Charging stations marked in green are vacant. The charging capacity will also be displayed. The higher the value, the faster your ID will charge. Particularly handy. You can also specify the remaining range, just as you wish. At fast charging stations, you can recharge your ID in a particularly short time. Simply connect the charging cable and hold the charging card up to the station. The green pulsating LED next to the charging connector and the ID light indicate that your ID is being charged. Your Volkswagen app will keep you informed of the charging process. AC charging stations have a lower charging capacity than fast charging stations. Here, you usually use your own charging cable. Good to know. During navigation, your ID will optimally adapt to fast charging. When you approach a planned charging stop, your battery will automatically be prepared so that it can be charged more quickly. You can also activate this function manually, without active navigation. If the charge level is below 20%, a notification will appear in the infotainment system. Here, you can directly start navigating to a charging station nearby. By the way, with Plug and Charge, you don't even need your charging card. If your charging tariff supports Plug and Charge, you can enable this function in the Volkswagen app and activate it in your infotainment system. As soon as you connect the charging cable, the whole charging process will run automatically. If you want to recall when and where you have charged, simply open your Volkswagen app. Here you will find an overview of all your charging sessions. Route planning, optimized charging, and plug and charge. Traveling is fun when charging is easy.
Volkswagen.